What is CAS number in chemical and pharmaceutical industry? Do you belong to chemical or pharmaceutical industry? You must have come across CAS number to find out long chain chemical compounds or to identify what customer exactly asked for. Everyone belong to the industry must know what CAS number is and why they are important, what are their benefits and who benefited from them. Hello and welcome to Jigs Chemical Limited. I am Vinita and in this video we are going to discuss about what is CAS number, why CAS numbers assigned to chemicals and its benefits. Chemical Abstract Service Number is abbreviated as CAS registry number. The Chemical Abstract Service Registry assigns it to every chemical compound that has existed since the early 1900s until now. Abstract Service Registry assigns numbers to compounds based on the order in which new substances are discovered. By the year 2020, CAS had indexed approximately 15 crore unique chemical substances. What does CAS number mean? A CAS number is a numerical designation for chemicals that is maintained by the Chemical Abstract Service (CAS) of the American Chemical Society. Each number assigned by the CAS is unique to one chemical substance. There is no correlation to that scientific chemical number for the substance. CAS numbers are utilized in a large range of databases to make it faster to retrieve the pertinent information about that particular chemical. CAS numbers are used in a variety of databases to make it easier to find relevant information about a specific chemical. CAS number explanation. Chemical Abstract Service (CAS) numbers have 3 hyphenated parts and can be up to 10 digits long. The last 4 digits are check numbers that ensure the CAS number is unique. A CAS numbers are entered into database. They are assigned in a sequential order. CAS registry contains a wide variety of substances including the world's largest collection of organic and inorganic compounds, metals and alloys, minerals, coordination compounds and organometallics, elements, isotopes and nuclear particles, proteins and nucleic acids, polymers, known structurable materials and those of unknown or variable composition and biologics. A compound's numerical representation is limited to 10 digits, with hyphens used to divide it into 3 pieces. The rightmost digit, known as check digit, is used to validate the number's validity and uniqueness. The CAS number is unique to a compound and has no bearing on chemical formula or the substance itself. What is the value of CAS number? The importance of knowing your CAS number is that it allows you to avoid confusion when recognizing compounds and gives you access to a wealth of information. It is the most dependable platform in use around the world, and it acts as a link between numerous nomenclature phrases that describe substances. Validation is simple and reliable. Serve as an international resource for chemical substance identifiers used by scientists, industry and regulatory bodies. An example of the applicability of CAS number we can understand with the help of ethanol. A very common chemical is known by several names like absolute alcohol, alcohol, colon spirit, ethyl alcohol, ethyl hydrate, ethyl hydroxide, ethylol, etc. Its formula can be written in various forms like C2H6O, CH3CH2OH or C2H5OH. With so many different ways of referring to a single compound, clarity can be attained with its case number or CAS number, which is 64-17-5, an easy identification to clear the confusion. Where to search for CAS registry numbers? STN databases, CAS publications and other sources such as Government Regulatory Agency Commercial, Chemical Inventories, handbooks, guides and technical reports, other printed reference works, chemical catalogs. Conclusion. The provided example is a simplified illustration, but using the CAS number to distinguish between stereoisomers is a boon, and the quickest and the most reliable approach to identify each chemical. Hope the information is useful to you. We will bring more such videos of pharmaceutical industry basics. Jix Chemical Limited is a market leader in chemicals and pharmaceutical industry with good contacts and relations maintained with customers and suppliers. Manufacturers, please contact us for your requirements of pharmaceutical API, intermediates, chemicals and solvents. Visit our website www.jixchemical.com. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.